Ka-chow.
The air filter should be replaced once a year or once every other year, depending on your driving conditions. So if you live somewhere that's super dusty, you should definitely be replacing it every year. Also, if you take your vehicle off-road, you want to consider replacing it more frequently because you don't want it getting clogged up and then stealing that air from your engine and causing low gas mileage.
This is an extreme example of a vehicle that went off-roading in the desert for a week. Start by popping your hood. Your hood is usually a latch right here or somewhere in this general area. If you can't find it, consult your owner's manual. To pop your hood, there's usually a little lever, which you can see here, that usually turns to the side, or you can take 2 fingers and push up. So in this case, we're gonna push it to the side and lift the hood. The easiest way to find the air box is to look for where the air is going into the engine. And then the air box is going to house a filter. This air box takes no tools. It's just got these 2 little clips. And then you lift out. And you can check the air filter. That's nice and clean, so we're getting good gas mileage. Same practice. So pop the hood, then open the hood by finding the lever, so again, we're following the air into the engine. So this is going to be our air box, and it's just got these little clippies. Okay, so we're going to pull this out, then slide this whole guy to the left, and then we're able to pull this out and check it. That's actually pretty clean. Okay, put that guy back in. Okay. And the clippies. And again, pop the hood. Find the release lever and lift up. This airbox is hidden under this plastic cover, so just remove the push buttons and lift the cover up and out. Clippies. Do we have more clippies? Yeah. Yep. And then you just take this guy up. Check your air filter, and that is very clean. Good job. Okay. I'm going to snap this back in, and then we can stop filming. Cool. Last example for your viewing pleasure, pop the hood. Find the hood latch. This is a 2-finger and up hood latch. The Germans like to over-engineer everything, so this vehicle does actually need a Phillips head screwdriver in order to check the air filter. For this airbox, remember to lift the airbox off of its sort of hinges. Here's another example of a dirty air filter.
If you do need to change your air filter, you should be able to go to any auto parts store, give them the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and they should be able to sell you the part. It's usually around $20. Thank you so much for watching.
If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.